Just this much only I'm going to tell you. In the activities, I know each and every type of activities. I can play each and every type of a game. So it's in your hand. The ball is in your court. You have to deliver the power. You have to select your next candidate. Okay, thank you.
I am the student of third year mechanical. I am going to solve the student problem. There are someone who take them, who understand them and solve their problem. To solve the management problem, there are the chief minister is elected by committee. So
okay, you know Amitabh Patel is culture coordinator from the teacher side. Then we have culture co-coordinator, Amit Shaw is there. You know Amit Shaw? Amit Shaw is Delhi. Of MBA. And co-coordinator is Amit. Please come. Co-coordinator for the sports week. For the industrial interface, Nivek. He is co-coordinator for the industrial interface. He is teaching in MBA. I hope you all know him. He is in this college. In GIT also, where I was there for 3 years, I was having additional GS. And I tell you very frankly, additional GS was working hard compared with GS. Similar is the case even with the LR. So I would wish that here it should not happen so. I would wish that the regular LR and regular GS work hard. Right? So that additional GS and additional LR, they have got less work comparatively. Okay. But I congratulate all of you. Thank you very much for being in the council. I am sure that you will show excellent performance this year so far as the student council is concerned. And the most important job is tomorrow's job, Ratri before Navratri.
Institute of Engineering and Management, IIT Mewada, student of MBA, second semester with my friend and all present over here.
As you all know, we are here for innovation competition to honor our राष्ट्रपिता मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी. अरे मुझे तुम्हें पता है ये 2 दिन की छुट्टी में मैंने कितना एंजॉय किया?
अपेक्षा तुम मैंने भी बहुत एंजॉय किया. By the way, what you did?
I went for a movie.
अपेक्षा संडे तो probably holiday रहता ही है. But don't you know what is the reason behind the holiday of Saturday?
Of course I know. It's गांधी जयंती, birthday of महात्मा गांधी.
अरे आप तो ऐसे कर रही हो जैसे गांधी जी के बारे में बहुत कुछ जानती हो.
Of course I know, but little bit.
So let me inform you something more about Gandhi. We are of truth, non-violence and love. He once said, Bhagavad Gita is my mother and the name Sri Rama is my shield. He was architect of India's freedom and one of the greatest men of the country. Once a traveler who came from Europe to India was asked, what do you wish to see in India that he possessed? He always practiced them. He believed in
रुको मैं बताती हूँ. स्वराज. And he was so great that there are 2 temples of Mahatma Gandhi ji in India. One located at Sabalpur in Orissa and another is in district in Karnataka. Gandhi ji referred as a Mahatma Gandhi. In Sanskrit, Mahatma means great thought and his honor is applied to him by Rabindranath Tagore. In India, he is also called as Bapu. He is officially honored in India as a father of nation. And in his birthday, 2nd October, we celebrate as a Gandhi Jayanti. देखा, मुझे भी पता है.
I know you are genius. That's why we have decided to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti in form of elocution competition, and today's topic of competition is Mahatma Gandhi ji is still alive in the mind of India.
Now I request to the dignitary of the dais for the Pragatya.
Goswami College of Engineering, my colleagues and my friends, good afternoon to everyone. Time is 1:30 as a matter of fact. That is what is written. I have been given as usual the task of welcoming and introducing the guests. Today we have before us Mr. Hitesh Siklegar sir. Mr. Hitesh Siklegar sir actually started his career with the care education in Sabarmati. He established the care education in Sabarmati and he worked for 3 years. Basically, he has got a lot of love for the students, and there's a reason that he started that along with the care education, it is better to go for medical transcription. So after 3 years, he also was involved in BPO and in medical transcription for 2 years. Afterwards, he joined as Assistant Director in the Hasu Goswami College. He has been working there since last 4 years. He is basically an engineer, instrumentation and control engineer. He is basically a man of emotions, and he is extreme at the end of the extreme orator also. And his Gujarati is also very powerful, but his Gujarati literature is also very powerful. He has written several poems also in Gujarati, and he is a very good debater. He was a debater when he was in college, and he is a very good debater even as of today also. I, on behalf of the institute, welcome you, sir. The sign to me is, I would like that you all should know as to who is in the panel of the judges today. So I would obviously, Ritesh Sikligar sir is the convener of the panel of judges. Co-convener is Ms. Swati Karia. The files of the names of the students and rules and regulations to all these judges. I request Manisha to give one file to Swati Karia. Ma'am, please be seated. Where would you like to sit? Actually, this is confidential. Even I just want to tell you that they are not aware that they were supposed to be the judge. The third one is Miss Dara Choksi. Fourth is Gaurav Tandon sir. And fifth is Thomas T. Bedi. Please come. I would like to inform you, training and placement officer of our college. He has been assigned the task of arranging the industrial interaction for the students, and he has started with the industrial visits. I think tomorrow is the first visit of the Mechanical Engineering Division A to officer. I would please that the student council, I don't know how many students are present here. Student council, no one. They must be busy in Gular and all. You are there, okay, good, very good. I would request that kindly remain in touch with our DPO, Training and Placement Officer. He is supposed to assist you in all the industrial interface activities, including the placement of the students. This is his job assigned to him. He is very cooperative. He is an MBA, having 20 years of experience. Last he was working as general manager. With great difficulty, I have brought him over here, and I am sure he is going to be very helpful to us. So please give him a big hand, Thomas. Now, request former coordinator of culture and the senior lecturer of MBA, Tanvi Bhaldu, to come over. So now we have 5 persons in the panel, which is headed by, we have got only 7 candidates. Even if there are 70 candidates, the rules remain the same. The first is the time given to the student, or I would say participant, is 5 minutes. Okay. The student has speak for 4 minutes after his speech. Third, evaluated accordingly. That is the second thing that I want to tell. The fourth rule is the time is the essence of the job. Time is the essence of the speech. Time is the essence of the competition. That means you are supposed to complete your speech within 5 minutes. You are not supposed to use more than 5 minutes at all. As far as possible, you should use exactly 5 minutes. Time, or if you use more time, you will be getting late marks. Okay? I will now tell you how the panel is going to evaluate the participants. The first is, most important part is the content. The content, 20 marks. We have decided that we will be giving 20 marks for the content. That means the subject, the content, most important part of the content is you are supposed to speak exactly in accordance with the subject assigned to you. The subject assigned to you is Mahatma Gandhi is still alive in the minds of the Indians. That means you are supposed to speak as to why and how in the minds of the Indians Gandhi is still alive. You are supposed to prove that he is still in the minds of every Indian. I would have written the word probably everyone in the world, but I thought let it go for Indians because Indians love Mahatma Gandhi tremendously. That's the reason that I thought I will keep the in the minds of the Indians, few of my colleagues. That is the content. Then body language of the participant. That is 10 marks. See, body language, I think most of you have learned the communication skills. Engineering students have a subject for communication skills. And MBA students also are learning the subject for managerial communication. And you have studied the word called body language. Communication is both verbal as well as non-verbal. So, your body language is very important and will be evaluated by the judges. You should look, you must look very positive when you speak. Most important thing is this. You must look determined when you speak. You must definitely use non-verbal communication by your eyes. But you are not supposed